so I'm a little worried about my microphone, but let's see what the Mariott can do, even though I don't have the windscreen, which I should have. So we're down in St. Kitts, and I'm doing an awesome vacation, but I'm also going to give you a little bit of a vlog as I take you through the cool things that you can see. Let's go take a look and see what we can find.
Alrighty friends, so let's head down this way on the beach. I am re-recording the audio that was recorded initially just because it was unusable. But you can see here we are looking back towards the awesome resort and the location where we are staying. It is a massive location. You can see how far it stretches. It has that awesome beach with all the beach chairs, but there is a bit of a seaweed problem. You still can swim, and the water is about 80 degrees, which is epic at this time of the year. Down the beach is just a beautiful walk. Nothing special to be looking at except that awesome ocean and the sun as it comes up. As we look out into the ocean, you can see that there are barriers that have been put on the water. It appears to be man-made, but it makes it a more pleasant cove for swimming and playing in. I cannot see any ships on the horizon at this time, but I am keeping an eye out because I would love to catch one flying by. Strolling all the way down the beach, I came upon this sweet little shack, and what I really liked most was if you look up here, you can see a ton of bottles in the water, which I'm assuming are fishing traps, which I thought was pretty darn neat. The part that wasn't neat was this poor building behind appears to be empty and destroyed, which is a shame. As it turns out, during our trip so far, we have found a lot of locations where the construction has just stopped, and these awesome locations are not being utilized as they should. I am not sure how this large piece of coral made it up this far on the beach, but it is pretty sweet to be able to track it down and see it as I'm strolling back. You can see here I'm almost back to the resort. That little sign is advertising a horse riding stable, so you can actually do a horse ride down the beach. In the distance you can see those mountains, and on the other side of them are some beaches that we are told do not have the seaweed issue, and the Mariott actually has shuttles that can get you to several of the cool beaches in the St. Kitts area. During my return trip, I got to watch this bird for a while. He was pretty amazing as he soared, hovered, and then dove to snag his morning meal. One last cool sight on the way home, this awesome shell was all the way up the beach as well.
Alrighty friends, so if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, or maybe even somewhere we should check out, add it in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when this brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.